angels after 3. 1, 2, 3. Mix of angels. Costume. Boots, hairspray, costume, accessories, payong. Makeup. Makeup wallet, fan. Makeup wallet, fan. Nail checks at the nail check. You're so pretty, you guys gotta check out. Fuck, pati lang na may makeup eh. You guys gotta check. Hala, akong glasses. May ganito ako nila, bro. Wait, kalma. Yeah, so nail check. Got my glasses, okay. I can't see, I'm blind. Gotta check out Nails by Barbie Black. I'll just put the welcome to my vlog. I gotta go. Legit. Gotta go. Just watch the video. Hi. Oh, niya sa una, bisag practice mag-lens ka. Ito din. Pula ba tayo? Hi, Jer. Hi, Betsy.
Pangit pa na ako.
Ito, nabi ako naka-leave siya. Bakit siya? Ako nibawaan. Ayun, ako nibawaan kay leave siya. Pero ngayon, chat siya ni Betsy. I was like, oh. Nice one, hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Hi, Shan.
Hi, vlog. Ano ka itong before?
Hi, vlog. It's me again. Your Dini. Wow.
Dahil marag escape lang na to, makeup kay marag 3 hours pa may mahuman dyan. Ha? See you later. Shucks, kagwapo na mo rin. Alright. Happy namin mo perform, Shucks! Mix of angels after 3. 1, 2, 3. Mix of angels. Serious uy amaw. Ay ha? Serious ba? Face check. Pink flash? Face check. Fuck.
Antonio, Bench, Clifford, Gerald, Jake, James, JD, Robin, and Vincent, together known as Mix of Angels. Sorry, let's do it again. Mix of Angels.
Seaside, here we go, Ra!
We're going on a second trip on a leader vacation.
1001, 2002, 3003, I put that goes for me.
Pa. Ra. Ra. Ito bang, ito bang.
Ra. Ang sapatos.
Sapatos.
Sapatos. Ang sapatos, Coachella. Ang damit, Pantropiko. Ang noun,
Ang noun.
Chris Aquino. Ang itlog.
itlog,
Wow. Hi. Yes, we're at Seaside na po. Gikan mi sa G-Mall, right? Gikan mi G-Mall. And then, meron namin sa Seaside. Luday, gano'n, kisay champion. Champion ito, Gache, Changa. Uy, ako tutoy, nakita.
I've had the privilege to host and meet a lot of the K-pop idols that we all love. Please introduce your group.
1, 2, hello, we are Mix of
So they are, kung sa mga hindi po nakakala, for those of you who may not be aware, they covered twice. And the question is, this song came out in 2020, right? Since then, ang dami na nilang kanta. Ang dami na nilang mga songs na nilabas. Why did you still decide to go with More and More?
We decided to go with we decided to go with More and More because we saw this piece a potential that we can upgrade. So we wanted to cover twice. We wanted to cover twice and then at the same time add our own flavor. And yeah, we're just happy to be here. It's Pride Month. Thank you so much for celebrating.
Good job, everyone. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Nick South Angel. Namin tayo lalo with our next group. Let's give it up for the Constellation.
Welcome to my vlog.
We feel so happy because, you know, it's very hard for us to, with different genders aside from male and female. So it's very different for us and we are thankful that we get so good. Come to Hamida!
Yan, yan muna kayo. Alright, and now,
Hey guys, I'm going home, bruh. We won Chugs too.